So today we'll be seeing how we replace one of these pilot lamps, or the park lights as we call it, of the CBR 250R. So this one for me is worn out, so I'll be replacing that now. The way you do it in a simple way is you can take your hand in over here. You can find the right spot where the park light housing goes. It's quite a bit of a task. I've already pulled it out a bit and kept, so you got to find it and you pull it out, and you see this is the bulb that's to be replaced. And once you're done with replacing that, you got to tuck it back in. So it is quite tedious, I know, to pull it out, to find and pull it out, because it's stuck in pretty hard over there. But once you find it, it's easier than having to remove the fairing and then fit it in. And this is the bulb that goes in over there. It's still in the cover. I think you can see it, hopefully. Yeah, so this is a bulb, and this is what we'll be replacing there. And as usual, once you replace it, it's better to check it out whether it works first and then fit it back in. So again, this is the bulb that goes as the pilot lamp in the front. So I've fit the bulb over here, and as you can see, it's a perfect fit inside the housing. Let me just turn on the park lamp, or the pilot lamp switch. See, it works. So now you're safe to put it back in, and then I'll show you how it looks in the front. So as of now, you can see that only the right side is glowing and the left one is sticking out from inside, and I'll fit it back in. So I've fit the left side pilot lamp, and like I showed you some time back, only the right was glowing, and now let's see how it glows. Yay! So finally that works. So all you need to do is find that right holder, pluck it out, and then fit the bulb and fit it back in the same way. So that's for that.